Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you've been involved in crypto, you've probably come across the terms centralized and decentralized exchanges. But do you really know what they are and how they work? Let me break it down in a way that makes sense and shows you the real difference. So let's get started. First, let's talk about centralized exchanges. These are platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Essentially, a centralized exchange is like a traditional stock exchange. It's run by a company or organization that acts as a middleman between buyers and sellers. On a centralized exchange, you deposit your crypto or fiat currency, and the exchange handles all the trading and transactions for you. They act as custodians for your assets, meaning they hold your funds until you decide to withdraw or trade them. The biggest advantage of using a centralized exchange is that it's very easy to use, it's perfect for beginners and offers customer support in case something goes wrong. You also get access to advanced features like margin trading and staking. And now on the other hand, decentralized exchanges, unlike centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges operate without a central authority. This means you trade directly from your own crypto wallet to another user wallet without the need for a middleman. Platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, or PancakeSwap are popular examples. Because there's no central authority, decentralized exchanges offer more privacy and greater control over your assets. You don't have to trust an exchange with your funds, but the downside is decentralized exchanges are typically a bit more complicated for beginners to use, and there's usually no customer support if something goes wrong, so you really need to be careful with that. Alright, so now that we know what each type of exchange does, let's break down the key differences between them. First, control. On a centralized exchange, the exchange controls your fund. You trust them to manage your assets. On a decentralized exchange, you maintain full control over your crypto that's in your own wallet. Second, ease of use. Centralized exchanges are generally easier for beginners. They have user-friendly interfaces and you can even trade with fiat currencies. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, are more suitable for experienced traders who are comfortable using wallets and dealing with gas fees. Third, privacy. Decentralized exchanges require you to create an account providing personal details, and it's the opposite. You don't need to share your identity or personal information to start trading, buying or selling any tokens or coins. So you maintain more privacy in that case. Fourth, fees. Centralized exchanges often charge trading fees, withdrawal fees, or sometimes even deposit fees. Decentralized exchanges charge network or gas fees, which can depend on the blockchain you're using. But there's no fee for using the platform itself. So while centralized exchanges are easier to use and provide customer support, decentralized exchanges offer more privacy and control over your asset. Now here's the big question. Which one should you choose? If you're new to crypto and just want to buy, sell or trade coins without dealing with technical aspects, a centralized exchange is your best bet. It's simple, and if you mess something up, customer support is there to help. However, if you value privacy, want to maintain control of your assets, and are comfortable with the technical side of things, a decentralized exchange might be the better option for you. Decentralized exchanges are great for privacy and low fees, but keep in mind, it can be a bit tricky to navigate sometimes, especially for beginners. So now I would like to know, which type of exchanges would you prefer? Centralized or decentralized, and why? So drop your comments down below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a crypto update. And if you're still unsure which exchange to use, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.